Bear down to me means just to go all out. You know, go out and play hard. Give it everything you got. I feel a lot of people say, especially on football, every down, the football players have a T-shirt. Every down, bear down. It means just go out, give it your all. Every down, give it your all. And I mean, every time you hit that floor, people say bear down, and all they ask for is you to give your all and hustle and do everything it takes to get the W.
Bearing down is in my mind this sense of humility. What it takes to get to the top is to start at the bottom. And so I think that's what Wildcats are about in general, is the struggle to the top. I mean, there's so many mountains around here. I think many people can understand such a metaphor is to like start at the bottom. You can't even see the top. You don't know what it looks like. You just know you want to be there. And so it's just like Wildcats are just, they're that determined and they have that much hunger for something that they're willing to keep walking to the top of something that they've never even seen. They don't even know what it looks like. They just know that they want to be there. And so when we say bear down, it's like, do your work, because you start paying for it right now. You start paying your dues today.
Bear down to me means to kind of scratch and claw through every situation you get put out onto the field, and also just to never give up, whether you win or lose.
To me, bear down means, you know, everything that you do in practice as a coach, how hard you go, how much you prepare. It's about digging in, digging your heels in, and giving it everything you got.
Give it everything you have for Arizona, and that's what I try to do every time I put an A on my cap, every time I put my goggles on, every time I tie my suit. It's definitely giving everything back for Arizona and being thankful for the university that invested a scholarship in me. So very grateful.
Just doing your best to accomplish your goals and never giving up on them.
It really focuses me in on the grind factor. We talk to our players a lot about being able to grind out results, grind through certain tough situations, and bear down kind of epitomizes that for me, just grinding out tough situations to get a positive result.
To me, bear down means that little extra you give when your team needs it, and not just your team, but yourself and the passion you have for your school or for the red, white, and blue.
Bear down to me just means you go out there and play fearless and give it 100% no matter how you're playing, because ultimately you're playing for Arizona.
Coach Lopez always has a saying, slow the game down. So to me, that's sort of what it means. Just focus really on the task at hand and what you want to get done, and just bear down and get it done.
To me, bear down means to get the job done and to do it with pride.
Basically to train as a team and just encourage basically our teammates and just compete when it's time, and just basically cheer for our teammates and just be there when it's time and just compete at a high level.
To me, I think bear down is all about team spirit. When it comes, you hear that term bear down, and all you want to do is jump up and down and cheer for your team. That's how I kind of see it. So bear down is all about team spirit to me.
Bear down is obviously our rallying cry, and to me it means time to throw down. And when used at the right time, NCAAs or Olympic trials, it definitely gives me goosebumps. And it's great. It brings us all together, and it's one focus.
Like it says, bear down. You know, withstand anything. You can withstand anything. You just got to put your mind to it.
Bear down is kind of a way of life. It's what we do every day. We come into the gym, work hard, you know, try to perform at our highest, and that's really what it means.
Bear down means to me to get done what you need to get done when you need to get it done, no matter what. At that time, at that moment, it doesn't matter what's going on or what's happening. You have to get it done then and there.
Bear down, it's like when the game's on the line, you're just that much better. When you hear bear down, you just know, like, when it comes down to that big moment, I'm gonna get it done.